How to edit videos using Meitu. First of all, open the app and tap on Edit Videos section on the main screen. Select a video you want to edit from your gallery. Once your video opens in the editing interface, you can trim or speed clips, apply filter, adjust brightness and contrast, and add effects to enhance the overall look. You can also add text, stickers, music, and transitions to make your video more creative and engaging. Using Meitu's video editing features allows you to create short clip, social media videos, and creative content quickly and easily. After finishing your edits, preview the video, choose your preferred export quality, and save it to your device. Now you know how to edit videos using Meitu. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.